Let's talk about PE. PE stands for Portable Executable Format. It is a way to organize an executable code in a file on disk and so that Windows operating system component called loader can read it from the disk and load it into memory as a process and start to execute it. Now, what is the structure of PE file? Some would say it is complicated, and it is actually. So let's take a look at the example visualization of PE file. So this one comes from Wikipedia. So you can see here some DOS stub, like signature, DOS stub, DOS header, some additional headers, like some fields, some structures, some tables. This part is called the data directories. It has some section table. So as you can see, it is really complicated, and it might be even overwhelming for everyone. But in a nutshell, you can consider PE file as a book, okay? And as every book, it contains the data, which is basically the text created by an author, and it also has a metadata, which is information about the book itself and about the text. So, for example, a title is a good example of metadata. Who's an author, who's the publisher, what's the table of contents, etc. These are all metadata about the book. And the same way PE files are organized, okay? So they have headers and sections. Let's go to Ange Albertini GitHub. So Ange is a well-known reverse engineer, and he created Corkami project, which is more or less the visualization of various file formats. So if we go to binary formats and we scroll down, we should find a poster containing PE file. So PE 101. So let's go there and let's open up this file. Okay, make it bigger. Okay. So when you open a PE file from disk, it looks like just like a stream of bytes, okay? But as I said before, it contains some headers and some sections. So headers contain the metadata, so all the things, information about all other things where they are located. And sections contain the data itself. So it can contain the code, executable code, some data used by the executable code, some resources, and other other information. Now we don't need to go through all the details from here. You can go to Microsoft website documentation, and there is a lot of detailed information about PE file, PE format. And what we will gonna do now is we just jump straight to the to our VM and see the real example.